Are you dreaming of exploring the charming landscapes, rich history, and vibrant culture of Slovakia without breaking the bank? Look no further. In this video, we've got you covered with a comprehensive guide to budget travel in Slovakia. From affordable accommodation to delicious local cuisine, we'll show you how to make the most of your adventure in this stunning European gem without emptying your wallet. Welcome back to Connolly Cove. Today, we're embarking on an exciting journey to one of Europe's hidden treasures, Slovakia. Nestled in the heart of Central Europe, Slovakia boasts breathtaking natural beauty, picturesque towns, and a fascinating cultural heritage. The best part? You can experience all of this on a budget. 1. Affordable accommodation. One of the key aspects of budget travel is finding affordable places to stay. Slovakia offers a wide range of options, from cozy guest houses in the countryside to budget-friendly hostels in major cities like Bratislava and Košice. Consider using booking websites and apps to find the best deals, and don't forget to explore unique alternatives like farm stays for an authentic Slovak experience. 2. Local transportation. Getting around Slovakia is a breeze, thanks to its efficient and affordable public transportation system. Trains and buses connect major cities and even the most remote villages. Consider purchasing a travel card or pass for discounts on multiple journeys. For eco-conscious travelers, cycling is also a great way to explore the scenic countryside. Slovak cuisine is hearty and delicious, and you don't have to splurge to enjoy it. Seek out local markets and family-owned restaurants to savor traditional dishes like brinzovi halušky, potato dumplings with sheep cheese, or pierogi dumplings. These meals won't only satisfy your taste buds, but also your wallet. 4. Traveling off-peak. Consider visiting Slovakia during the shoulder seasons to take advantage of lower prices and fewer crowds. Spring and autumn offer pleasant weather and a tranquil atmosphere, perfect for budget-conscious travelers looking for unique experiences. Slovakia is a budget traveler's dream, offering a perfect blend of natural beauty and cultural richness without breaking the bank. By following these tips, you can make the most of your Slovak adventure while keeping your expenses in check. So, pack your bags and get ready for an unforgettable, budget-friendly journey through Slovakia. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more travel tips, and leave your comments below if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. Until next time, happy travels.